Student, my name is Somo, and today we're going to discuss a very important chapter, that is filtering and sorting in our Oracle course. So what is filtering of data? So here this slide is depicting that we are fetching only the required records or data from the table. So there is a screening process shown diagrammatically in the center. So where all the table records are going as an input to it, it processes the records and fetches only the required information. The information that is only required by the user. Now, how to filter these records, or how these SQL statements will going to help us, or how to write the SQL statements in order to fetch only the required data, we're going to understand. So here, first of all, we're going to see the syntax to write the SQL statement to filter records. So select all or column or columns. So here either we mention the all operator to fetch the values from all the columns, or from specific columns, or from one column, like select all, or select employee ID, comma employee name, comma contact number, like that. Or we can mention expressions. So along with the columns, we can mention the expression also, like select employee ID, employee name, salary into 12. Then from table, now the where condition. Now this where condition is not mandatory. We don't have to write. Previously, we have seen the SQL statement without the where condition. It is not mandatory clause, but in order to fetch the required data, on the basis of a condition, we have to mention the condition with the where clause in the select statement. So where, after the where, there will be a condition like salary less than 10,000 or age greater than 30. Like that, we can mention the condition. So here, if it is asked to you, like retrieve all the finance and account employees data, so we'll write the SQL statement like this: select all from employees where job ID equal to finance and account. So from the given query, you have to understand how we have to write the condition. So here it is basically asked to fetch on the basis of the job ID, that is finance and accounting is a job ID. Okay, clear? Now next query is create a report where or create a report which will display the ID, full name, job ID and department ID values of employees working in department number 100. So select employee ID, first name, concatenation operator space, then last name. So first name and last name are being concatenated. In between there is a space which is also getting concatenated, and it is displayed as full name. Now department ID, department ID from employees where department ID equal to 100. So here the employees details are fetched who are working in the department number 100.
Now here the records are filtered on the basis of two conditions: IT prog and salary greater than 6,000. So here we are fetching only those employees who are working in IT prog department, that is IT programming department, and earning salary greater than 6,000. So here two conditions got concatenated using the AND operator. That means both the condition has to be satisfied. Now if we concatenated these two conditions using OR, we must have seen more rows. In OR, any one or both satisfies, the output will be displayed. So if somebody is earning only greater than 6,000 but working in different department, it will be displayed. Or employees are working in IT programming department earning below 6,000 or 60,000, here it is 6,000, so will be displayed. Now if there are records where employees working in IT prog and earning greater than 6,000 will also going to be displayed. Okay. Now in this slide we are basically fetching the records where location ID matches with any one or some or all of these values. So we are using an in operator. In operator means list operator. In order to mention any list in the SQL query, you can use the in operator. The meaning is you are fetching only those departments where location ID is equal to any one in this list. In order to avoid multiple conditions, we can use the in operator. Like location ID equal to 1700 or location ID equal to 1800, or in this way without writing this we can use the in operator. Just you see the records that matched with any one or all. So in a particular row only one ID will going to be matched, so where the values matched only those records are displayed. Okay. Now next is using the like operator. Using the like operator we can mention any pattern, that like over here job ID contains man inside. We are fetching only those records where the job ID is containing man inside. That means we are working as a manager. Here it means where job ID like followed containing any number of characters in the beginning, followed by man, and followed by any number of characters. Now suppose if we have to mention like fetch only those employees who have the first name as beginning with C, followed by a single character and third character as O, followed by a number of characters like uh, cook or cooler. So C O O L E R, C O O K, C O O K. So these are the patterns we can provide. Okay, in words. So select employee ID, first name, last name, salary from employees, order by salary DESC. So this is another type of query. Now we are getting into here. We will learn how to sort the records. Obviously, you know sorting means arranging of data in a particular order, either ascending or descending. So here we are going to know how in select statement uh, or how to use select statement to sort the output either in ascending order or in descending order. Here there is requirement to fetch the employee ID, first name, and their salary information from the employees table and arranging the output in descending order. So the employees who are earning highest will be in the top. So select employee ID, first name, last name, salary from employees, order by salary DAC. This is what is the way. So if you want to sort a record or if you want to sort the output in descending order, so always you have to mention DESC in the end. Next, to sort the data in ascending order. So order by annual salary ASC. Now it is not mandatory to mention ASC in the end. If you don't mention anything or the sorting order in the end, the default order of sorting is ascending. So we have almost reached to the end. Now let's see some execution. So first of all filtering. So select employee underscore ID comma first underscore name from employees where salary greater than 7,000. Semicolon. See, control enter. Now the output is given. Now we are concatenating another condition where job ID equal to IT pro. Remember to enclose a text value or a string value within single quote in Oracle. Control enter. Now you see, I think there is no employees for earning greater than uh, or might be the pattern I have mentioned is not matching. Yeah. So IT pro, control enter. Now you see in the table the values, the string values are generally present in all caps. So that's why you have to give accurate. Clear? Fine. Now the same way, if you need to order the output, so for earning salary greater than 7,000. Order by first name DES. Control enter. Now I think there is some mismatch case. Order by, see, unnecessary, that quote is present, the closing bracket DESC, that was unnecessary. Control enter. Now you see the names that started with W, T, A's, okay, are in the top. Okay, so this is how we can perform this sorting and filtering. The rest of the statements that has been mentioned in the slide, you have to practice by yourself. Please remember to practice them. Okay, so few more examples. Okay, where salary is used to order the output in descending order. See, salary, order by salary DESC. Okay, we have already seen. Now we have reached to the end. So in a summary, so what we have learned today: how to filter or limit rows in the output using the where clause, sorting the records in ascending and descending order. Now, substitution variable, there is another way. So we are going to see how to use the substitution variable. Now, in SQL or in SQL, there is a important thing, interesting thing, that is called the substitution variable. Here we have seen the order by. Order by, we can mention different, okay, columns to order. So now you see column underscore name. Okay. So somebody wants to order the output as by last name. Somebody wants it to order the output as first name. So they can also pass in the runtime these values. So how to do that? You are going to learn about this in the coming chapter as well in detail. So control enter. Now see, enter value of column name. So I am using now last name. Last underscore name. So the output will be sorted on the basis of the last name. Okay, though the last name value is not going to display, but from the table, as per the last name, the output is ordered. Now if you want to see the last name as well, so I am changing the query and including the last name over here. So last name, control enter. I am again re-executing. Now last underscore name. Okay, now you see the output will going to come where the last name begins with Z are in the top. Okay, so this is the end for today. All the best. Thank you.